Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another fun creative photography video. In this one, we are going to be using this guy right here, aka a Slinky, to get some really cool shots just like these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it and I'm going to show you how. So first off, I ended up buying a pack of Slinkies, so I had some colors to choose from. In this one you can see I am using a blue one and it is giving me shots like this. Now you can see I am turning the camera just a little bit to get some more interesting angles, and this provided some really cool results like these. In this shot you can see I am pulling the Slinky away every so often because my lens was actually having trouble focusing on the subject, simply because there's so much Slinky in the frame that it is a little bit hard for the camera or the lens to judge where I want to focus. So that may be something you may need to do as well, just to make sure you're focused on where you want to focus. As I was shooting, I noticed that there's a little too much slack on the Slinky, so what I did is I had the model just kind of hold the majority of it so that I was able to pull it more and have a tighter look, just like you're seeing here, which provided much better results as opposed to the Slinky just kind of dangling down and there be too much slack on it. Well, that is going to wrap up this creative photography video using Slinkies. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, consider doing so, as we have new content coming out fresh for you every single week. And as always, down below will be some links to some really awesome contests we have going on over at Viewbug that you guys could enter to win some really cool prizes and potentially get exposure worldwide. Now with that said, thanks for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next one.